I know you hate bath time. Show everybody how much noise you make. Honey, is it the worst ever? Is it just the worst experience of your little life? See, look at you. You're totally fine. Okay, I think we're at our last step. Are you done? Gigi, do you hate me? One more for your loving fans before we go?